Hey, this is Mr. Poggio, and this is your simulated model for coding Corona Task 4, which is setting up your epidemic model. And yours is going to be about 1 minute. I might go a little bit over, but it's going to be, again, your introduction and your proportioning to your research for your population and what you did in your spaceland. So, um, here we go. Hi, my name is Mr. Poggio, and this is my simulated model for coding Corona. My population's focus is the United States, with a total of 330 million people. Students, we studied wet markets, and I told you about the virus and how serious it was, and to prepare to not be in school and the rest of the year for e-learning. And I told you that March 9th, the week of March 9th. Nancy, the mask we bought for your help with the Red Ribbon Week door decorating contest for Halloween was truly foreshadowing. I guess you could say the same for my CDC Halloween costume. But this is a really serious matter. This will define a generation and change humanity. Please understand that this simulated model is speculative in nature and supported by Mr. Poggio's research. This is not what I want, nor am I an expert. I just think now is more than ever an important time to science. So, I coded two red or infected agents representing the infected. And that would be less than 1% of the population, because I believe that even before 2020, there was still some corona cases and that it was likely present. But January 19th, the New England Journal of Medicine reported a 35-year-old from Washington returned from Wuhan and tested positive. I also used 20 yellow immune agents to start, as I believe the CCR5 mutation Delta 32, discovered by Dr. O'Brien from European descendants of past plagues, or other similar genetic mutations, provide resistance to corona for 6% of the population, a natural human embedded form of herd immunity. The majority 300 plus blue agents or turtles represent the healthy. And so now I'll get started with my model. This is the point where you're starting the next portion of the project. So all you have to do is get started explaining your spaceland. So that's all you need for task number 4. Good job.